Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can customize Control Center on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26 and now you want to customize Control Center, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can customize Control Center of your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 26. So first of all, here you will need to tap on settings in your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, here you will have to scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you will need to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, here you need to close this tab. Then after that, here you need to open Control Center in your iPhone or iPad device. So here you can see that here's the Control Center of my iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 26. So this is the interface of Control Center. So here you can see that all icons available on my iPhone device of Control Center. So I can remove any icon from here. Here you can see that if I want to remove this icon, here I will simply tap on this, then that will be removed from my iPhone Control Center. So if you want to add new icon here, tap on add a Control Center. Then here you can see that I have a lot of icons available which you want to add in your Control Center after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26. So if you here you will see that let's say you want to add this. Here you can see that here that is added. So here I'm going to add another one. So in this way you can add or remove any icon from your Control Center after updating it to the latest version iOS 26. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.